This is a tutorial to demonstrate how to be annoying. The first thing that you're going to want to do please also remember that and that's the problem with this country at the moment. To cut the long story short, what on earth are you looking at? Hello, Hand. How are you? Good, thanks. And you? Good, thanks. Blip, 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 blip. The reason this is done is because so the Illuminati told me the floor is lava. I burned my foot. And I told him that on top of the sardine scales. This is so that has been the 5 best ways to be annoying. I hope you've learned a lot from this and are able to improve your annoying skills as a result. Oh, and one last thing to note.